Uh, Clone Tycoon 2? What is this? Ah! Oh my god, is that me? Oh wow, I'll cancel. Is that really me? Let's see this. Okay. Can I see myself through the camera? I can't. But I can. Somehow. Alright. Welcome to a Cheez-Its game. I didn't make my intro because didn't have time. And I am Iron Man with a headset. So let's get on to this. Alright, let's go. So I have to play this game. Clone Tycoon 2. New game. Oh my god. I can't breathe in this. Face reveal. Not really, but I can't breathe in there. I'm gonna put it back later. What is this? Okay. Build. Clone machine, clone sword. Oh my god. Can I move while I'm in this? Oh wow. I don't know why I have a feeling I've played this before. Oh my god, I see myself. I look ugly. So I'm gonna put this back on. Get down. It has fallen. I'm just gonna put the microphone right here. No worries. Okay. It's really hard to breathe and see in this mask, but I could go with it. I'm fine. Oh, these are my clones. Hello there. How come your wings are in your head? I thought they do that. Alright. Sorry about the face cam and the audio. I really don't know what to do here. Or just wait until I get Moonies from right there. Comment down below if you want me to play another Cheez-Its game inside of the game. I'm Confucian. I don't know what to call these games. Do I call them by their names? Because the game I'm playing, that's playing this game, it's Frustration. It's not called Frustration, but you saw it. 152. Oi. Sorry of the background. I need to see. Oh my god. I should really start editing. What? What did I just say? I should really start editing these videos because I don't know how, but I'll see. Let's see what. Oh wow. 35 Moonies. Let's go. Is that okay? I thought that was a spider over there. What is that? What the? What is this? Wait. What is this? What? Let's read this. Launch. Oh, this is a missile? What the? I am Confucian. Okay. This is cool. Oh my god, you can be a baby in this game? Okay, I thought that was the guy. I really can't breathe in this thing. I might take it off the rest of the video, but face reveal. Can I ride this? Can I sit in the back? Let's go to McDonald's. Oh my god, I really don't know what I'm saying. Alright, let's see what we did. Thought that was a huge clone. Oh my god. What is this? Okay, let's go build. What is this? And what is that over there? Is that another missile? I'm confused. Okay. Clone stats, durability, speed. Okay. Basic, fire, air, ballistic, and electric. Oh my god. Every time I take a breath, my eyes get foggy. So I'm just gonna. Hi. I thought this was the cheapest right now. What is that over there? Let me go check it out. Okay, Orv. I'm looking at myself in the cam, but happy face. Alright, what is this? We're playing Minecraft now, dude. Oh yeah, comment down below if I should play like a Minecraft game. Like my old videos were like Minecraft only. I don't remember. Some Five Nights at Freddy's. Actually, next video I'm gonna make a Five Nights at Freddy's game. What? I have no idea what I'm saying. By the way, I made a game a long time ago. No, I'm not gonna talk. Is your rings in your... Oh my god, how... It looks cool, but why is it on your head, dude? That looks strange. Is your hat gonna fly? Oh my god. Wow. The mask is creepy right now. 600? Oh, 60? Yeah. Oh my eyes are foggy. I will probably make like vlogs in the future, but like I'm not gonna instantly do it. What is this a lizard or a, what is this? This looks creepy. I'm scared. We got a unicorn. Pets. Oh, wait. There's pets in this game, I think. Oh my god. Hey! No, I can't move. Hey, I'm not getting. Haha. Alright. Hi, how are ya? Hi. Hi, don't kill me, please. I'm scared. There's guns? Whoa. Chill. Oh my god. I've played this game a long time ago. It's just that I don't remember this. I don't remember being guns in this game. What is this? Oh my god, I gotta scratch my head, but what is this? A laser gun? What is this? Oh my god. This game is crazy. Oh, a helicopter? What is this? A helicopter? Oh, wow. Just wow. Okay, what's in the second floor? I'm just looking at this, guys, and waiting for my money to go higher. Thought I was gonna fall. See if they added new ones. No, they have not. When I used to play this game, I used to always go for like Superman or this guy. And now I'm just gonna go This looks like one of the characters from Happy Feet. Like Lovelace. What? Lovelace. I forgot his name. Oh my god. This is beautiful. I want this. I want this as a figure in my house. Alright. Superman. Superman looks ugly. No offense to the Superman fans. It's been 10 minutes already and I haven't built anything. Sorry if this is starting to be boring. Alright. This is expensive, man. What is this? What is this? No. Sorry, don't look at that. Clone machine 2. I guess I can make more clones. Upgrade walls. What? I thought there was like a giant thing. Oh yeah, I forgot to look at the missile or whatever it was over there. Let's just okay. Here we go. Where's this? Research computer. Can I go attack people? Like, is that a thing? Oh, fight mode. Let's go. I'll be back. Let me. Okay, there's no enemies here. Oh my god, why did I choose to wear this on? I'm gonna take it off. 1 second. Wow. That was beautiful. Get down. Don't come back. Alright. So I go fight mode? Oh wow. Okay, I might have to save right now. What do? Do I just go in front of it or do I click it? Okay. No! Why are you bleeding? No, die. Oh, what? I have died it. Oh, I can buy something else. What's this computer? Just a, okay. I thought. Hello. Sorry. Boom. What did I do? Oh, sword. So, wait, what? Okay, I'm gonna end it as soon as I get a baby clone. I'm gonna pause the video and hopefully get the baby clone. I really want it. Alright, see you in a couple minutes. Alright, guys, I just figured out this is a missile. Why are these so expensive? America, explain. Whoa, that looks like more like a nuke. Alright. What? Oh! What is this? Oh my god. What is this? I gotta hurry up. Dude, I just turned around and I look at that. What was that? Alright, I'm gonna pause it. I'm wasting time. Alright, let's go. Baby clone. Did I buy it? Alright, let's see. Oh wow. Hello. Okay. Alright, subscribe, hit the notification button, leave a like, or your favorite mountain will be destroyed. Bye!